Paul. Yes. It's 12:03. Yeah. And I got here about 3 minutes ago. Um, I'm somewhat concerned that I haven't gotten any phone calls. Yes. Uh, I did email those in law enforcement about child abduction, kidnapping, and child exploitation. And it could be that we don't remember exactly what's been going on. It seems to be some confusion today. So why don't we start again, and we'll just go over a few of the actual events that have taken place. Yes. Now, I was thinking that you might be having some difficulty remembering exactly what's been going on. But this is Exhibit B. Yes. And this is something that you put in the Swim Gazette. Yes. On July 24th, 31st, 7, 14, 20. The reissuance of a temporary order for protection and notice of hearing. Yeah. In the Superior Court of Washington for Clallam County. Now, there was known as Budnick as the petitioner. Yeah. Versus Budnick, the respondent. Mhm. The order for protection issued on July 6th of 2012, right, is hereby extended through the new court hearing date on this matter on August 30th of 2013. Yeah. At 2 p.m., yes, at the Clallam County Superior Court. Now, you may serve the respondent by mail and publication. Yeah. And the modified protection order entered on October 16th of 2012. Yeah. Heidi Budnick is the petitioner. Paul Chad Budnick is the respondent. Yes. And then there was a legal number 499647. Publication Squim Gazette, July 24th, 31st, August 7th, the 14th, the 21st, and 28th. Yes. Now, the order that was issued on July 6th of 2012, yes. This that would be this order right here. Yeah. Order for protection, right. Motion hearing, Judge Kniebs. Yes. Now, we talked about me being on trial until approximately July 24th of 2012. Yeah. Did Judge Kniebs have the actual jurisdiction and authority of law to reissue the protection order? No. No, you remember when you reissued this, Brent Basden, on May 31st of 2012 when I was on trial? Yes. Because you issued it in 2011 and I wasn't given any notice or opportunity to be heard. And then when the court commissioners reissued it, it should have been Judge Porter that would have made that decision after the verdict of the jury that found me not guilty. Yes. Now, then you reissued it by minute order, and we did look at the RCWs. Yeah. Um, there is no minute order issuing any protection order where you don't have jurisdiction or the authority of law. Yes. And then Judge Kniebs issued it for 1 year. Right. Now, this protection order that was issued on July 6th of 2012, yeah, would have expired on July 7th of 2012. Yes. It was a 1 year protection order. Isn't that right? Did you reissue it for an additional? Because, well, July 5th of 2013, yes. Notice of hearing, petition for renewal and notice of hearing, right. Renewal of protection order for 15 days, right. 14 days, yes. 10 days, yeah. Yeah, oh, there was a hearing on the 19th. Yes. Reissuance of a temporary protection order to show cause. And we looked at, well, what cause could there be? considering that neither of the court commissioners actually had jurisdiction or authority of law. It would have been the officiating judge that would have. Well, let's look at it. Oh, seems like you're having a difficult time understanding exactly what he's saying today. Now, order reissuing the protection order. Yes. Now, reissuance order issued on July 6th of 2012, extended through the new court hearing date. Yes. August 30th. Oh, proof of mailing. Yes. And then a declaration of Heidi Budnick. Probably I didn't get it. Yeah. And then there was a return of service to the Sequim Gazette. Now, putting in publication, right, because it says mail or publication. Yes. Brent Baisden took it upon himself to reissue this protection order. Yes. Now, it says here, right, personal service, service by mail, Exhibit A, pursuant to court order, service by publication pursuant to court order. Yes. Respondent did not receive actual notice of the hearing. Right. Now, this actual Sequim Gazette publication, did you realize that when you decided to renew it on July 5th of 2013? Yes. Order for protection, yeah. Approximately 1 day before it was expiring. Yes, we talked about that. And then there's 2 attempts of personal service. Yes, and then it's service by mail or publication. But the problem is, it wasn't Judge Porter that reissued it. It was Commissioner Kniebs and Commissioner Brent Baisden. Yeah. Now, since I was on trial and I was found not guilty, yes. Was it legal for the 2 commissioners to reissue a protection order where you decided to reissue it 1 day before it expired? Yes. And then you put it in publication without attempting personal service. Well, you did attempt personal service. From July 5th of 2013, yes. Sheriff's return of service. Okay. Return of service to myself. You served me on July. How come I don't remember that? Oh, did you? Well, the law only requires personal service twice, right? This and then on July 19th, you reissued the temporary protection order, right? Show cause hearing, yes. And it required an additional attempted personal service. Now, from July 19th until July 31st, approximately 11 days, yes. Did you attempt personal service? Because that's what the law requires. Now, I know when we look at the instructions, because I have the packet, yes. You attempted personal service once, but I don't remember that happening. Could you get the actual proof of service? Now, when I say child abduction and child kidnapping and exploitation, yeah, I don't think you attempted personal service twice because the law only requires you to do that. Yes. Now, we have quite a few different documents that I've been emailing. Yes. Now, you didn't local court rules, family law packet, judge's guide. Yes. I know it's in here because protection order packet, I included it with the email, the email that I sent to law enforcement. Now, Heidi must have been the petitioner of the reissuance of this. Yeah. Did you get a protractor to find out if it's her actual signature? And then when you motion a court, yes, what I don't get to see, right? Superior Court of Washington, Clallam County, yes. Petition for order for protection, right? I'm a victim of domestic violence. Member of my household, I am. The victim. 18 victim's relation, spouse or former spouse. Yes. Are we still married? Why don't you get your protractor out and look at the actual signature on this document? Oh. Now, the identification of the minors, should have been my 5 sons. Yes. Now, Jessica might be on there, might not be on there. Did you want me to get a copy of it right now? Exactly whose signature is on this? Request for an order for protection. Could you use your protractor and find out? Is it Petitioner Budnick? And I just wanted to know where my sons are at. Now, you're having a difficult time remembering what we're doing today? Yes. See, did you gave her, I want an emergency temporary protection effective immediately? Yes. Lasts up to 14 days until the court hearing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Up to 14 days. Yeah. But there was no attempt. Well, let's just get that protractor out.